Hey, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some easy, chewy, yummy chocolate chip cookies. And as a bonus for those of you guys who like nuts in your cookies, we're going to add some pecans at the end. So let's get started. So we're going to cream the 2 sugars and the 2 sticks of butter. And then we're going to add some vanilla. Okay, so that's a good start to our mixture. So now you're just going to scrape the bowl, and then you're going to add 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing in between. Guys, you really have to try this recipe. This came out really tasty. I want you guys to give it a try. So if you've watched any of my previous videos, you will realize that I do use more vanilla than the recipe calls for. So in this medium bowl, I have the flour and I mix the salt and the baking soda here. So now you're going to sift just 1/3 of the flour mixture in. So for a detailed list of ingredients and all the measurements, look in the detail section below. I give you all of that there. Okay, and here's the second third that's going in right here. So the mixture is starting to look pretty good. So now we're going to add in, I had some mini chocolate chips and I used the whole entire bag. And if you were adding nuts to your entire mixture, this would be the point where you would add the chopped nuts in right here. Okay, so this is the point where I taste the batter. I don't recommend you do that, but why not? And now you're going to sift in the final third of the flour mixture. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I actually left this clip in so you guys could see. I actually put a little bit too much on the cooking sheet. And then you're going to see soon that these cookies with this amount, it came out a little bit too big, or at least for my liking. They were still delicious though. Yep, and here they are. They kind of reminded me of cookie brownies. They were really good, but in this next clip, after you see me take a little bite right here, I'm going to make them a little bit smaller, but they were really good. Okay, so now you're going to see me measure out. It's like a heaping tablespoon. So this was the perfect amount for me. And I put these in the oven for 10 minutes. No longer than 10 minutes. It was perfect. After 10 minutes, I took them out and I put them on a cooling rack to let them cool off, and they were perfect. So those came out looking so good, nice and chewy and delicious. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is where I'm going to add the pecans. Okay, so I added the chopped pecans, and you're going to see here in a minute that I rolled these a little bit. I thought that this would help with the shape, but it's really not necessary. I think they still came out just like the other ones that I didn't roll. But yeah, so it came out looking just like this. This was the finished product with the chopped nuts in there. They were so good. Oh my God. Look at that, girl. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more easy recipes. These were so good with a nice cold glass of milk. Yum! So I hope you guys are all enjoying your holiday season. If you decide to make this recipe, comment below and let me know what you think. Bye-bye!